Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrice, and this is my Embellish Life. In today's episode, I will be sharing my next sewing plans. So, if that's something you're interested in, let's get in it. So, now that I've completed New Look 6262 and Butterick 6410, it's time to move on now. It's time to select my next two victims. Yes, yes, yes. I do have, my intention is to sew something for my office wear and then something for whatever. So I do have three patterns here. I do have the fabric and I can't wait to show them to you guys. So let's go. So let's talk about my professional wear. Yes. Um I do have two patterns here that I would like to show you guys and I'm not sure which one to choose as yet for the fabric that I've selected. So I think it's safe. Let me show the fabric first, and then we can go to the patterns. So this is the fabric. Yes. So I bought this fabric from my local fabric store a few days ago, and it's a rust color brown, and it's gabardine. Yes, yes, it's gabardine and it's 58 inches wide and I purchased 3 yards of this fabric and I absolutely love the color of this fabric and I think it would go great with my office wear that I'm trying to my office look I should say that I'm trying to achieve. So yes, this is the fabric that I want to work with next. Now, let me show you the quandary that I'm in right now because I cannot decide between these two patterns. The first pattern is Butterick 6655. And yes, I've showed you guys this pattern in what you may call it when I first spoke about me wanted to upgrade my office look. Yes, this was a part of the original set. I'm trying to be so good. You know, Butterick 6410 was a part of that set. Now I'm here with the second one. I'm so proud of myself. You guys know I usually deviate, but so far so good. Anyway, 6655 and this dress is a dress pattern, yes, and it comes in three different views. And the difference between the views are actually the option to have sleeves or not, and the length of the dress. So view A, it's above the knee and it's short sleeves. View B, it's just slightly below the knee and it's short sleeves as well. And then view C, it's sleeveless, but it's midi length, so it's like on the shin area. So that's the difference. And then of course there's an option whether you want to have a tie belt or not. I'm not sure about that as yet, but that's small thing. That's small thing. So those are the three options. And what caught my eye with this pattern originally is that at the side front, there's just buttons. It's embellished with buttons. I don't think they are functional buttons. They are not functional buttons because there's a zipper at the back. So the buttons aren't functional. They're just there for decoration. And I am here for it. So that's what caught my eye with this pattern. Now, if I choose this pattern, the view that I'm going with is view A. Okay, above the knee, short sleeve. But I'm not sure whether or not I'll keep the sleeves as well. I might do it sleeveless. I might do it with the short sleeve just for a variety because 6410, I did remove the sleeves. But that's another decision that can be made after. So Yeah, I can picture this dress view A with this fabric. Yes, I can. But I can also picture my next pattern with this fabric as well. Decisions, decisions. And this pattern was also in my original set of patterns. And it's also Butterick 6774. Well, yeah, well, all of them are Butterick, yes. 6774. Now, 6774, it's not a lifestyle wardrobe pattern, but it gives you multiple options as if it's a life, uh, sorry, as if it is a lifestyle wardrobe pattern, and I am here for it. Now, the view that I am mostly interested in doing for this fabric is the dress, which is view B. It's a sleeveless dress. And I can see it with this fabric as well. Now, the dress is it's above the knee. You guys know I do my stuff above the knee. And like I said, it's sleeveless. And I can have the option of whether I want to make the top that comes with the pattern in the future, or whether or not I want to do a cardigan or another top over it, another button on top over it. But I can also see the dress with the fabric. View B right up here. I mean, can't you see it? I can see it. I can. So yeah, that's the dilemma I'm in right now. I can't choose which of these two patterns, 6655 or 6774, that I would like to use with this gabardine fabric. And nothing is screaming out to me at the moment, so hence I'm left to decide by myself. But we'll see. I'll figure it out at some point this week because I want to get started this week with the pattern. Okay, so that's what's happening on the office wardrobe front. Now let me show you my other sewing plans that I have. Now the other pattern that I have, and it's just for, it doesn't belong to any sort of series or anything like that. It's just something that I feel like sewing. I think for me, I need palette cleansers in between projects. So instead of me just sewing pure outfits and then I just get bored with it, I've decided to put different things in between periodically, just to keep things interesting. I keep things, zhuzh it up a bit. So, yes, the next pattern that I am going to show, I know that I want to sew this pattern. The quandary that I find myself in is that I have two fabrics that is vying to be used for this pattern. So the pattern is Macaw's 8090. Oh, my friend Macaw's, I haven't sewn you in such a long time. Yes, Macaw's are my favorite brand, is my favorite brand. So yes, Macaw's 8090, and it's a kind of an oversized dress. I would say a kind of baby doll kind of tent dress. But I'm really interested in sewing it up. Now, I know this one I will have to pay particular attention to because I don't want it to be too oversized. So I know that I have to do some measurements and see how much positive ease that I would like in this dress. But I really want to sew this dress. I really do want to sew this dress. And this dress comes in three different views as well. The difference is I can see is the length and the sleeves. So view A, the sleeves is I would say elbow length, and it's by the looks of it, it looks to be either knee length or just above the knees. View B is a longer sleeves, the same length, and there's also some, I guess, maybe lace trimming that is involved in making the dress. And then view C, it's slightly below the knee and it's sleeveless. Now, the view that I'm interested in making, to be honest, is view A. I am looking at view A. Yes. And the fabric that I have here that are contended to be used, I'll show you the first one. The first one, oh, and it's blowing it out. The first one is a white double gauze fabric that I purchased from Cali Fabric, I think last year. So this is a white double gauze fabric. I have a thing for white lately. Well, I've always loved white, but white doesn't love me back as it should. Every time I wear white, I have to be so extremely careful because the thing that you think couldn't happen will happen. And then I will leave the house in a white dress or a white outfit. And when I come back, it might be every different color underneath the sun but white. It's like I've reverted back to a toddler when I'm in white. It's crazy. But yes, I do want to use this fabric, this double gauze fabric, and I think it would be a good match for this dress, 8090. The second fabric is this beautiful cotton lawn fabric. Now, this fabric, I recently showed it to you guys in my local um, fabric haul from my local store. And it's cotton lawn and it's 3 yards of it. And it is so brilliant. And a part of me wants to see whether or not I can find a happy medium and just match both fabrics as I tend to do. But I'm not sure. I am not sure about it this time around. So that's the quandary that I'm in right about now. I have this beautiful cotton lawn that is begging to be used. And then I have this double gauze fabric that has been in my stash for over a year now. And it's begging to be used as well. And I don't know. I'm caught in the middle. I'm caught in the middle, but again, it's something that I do have to figure out. I I'm not sure which one that I'll cut into as yet because, like I said, I do have decisions on both ends to make. But yeah, that's my sewing plans, and I'll keep you guys updated with what I've chosen and the finished products for both of them. All right, lovies. That is all that I have today concerning my next sewing plans. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and also follow me on Instagram to keep up with my other crafting shenanigans. I hope you have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Think lovely thoughts. Keep on smiling and always remember to make beautiful and wonderful things. All right, lovies, I'm out of here. Bye.